If you have or possess digital skills such as computer programming, copywriting, and web designing, you can leverage and make money with these skills online with freelance websites. Even if you don't have these digital skills, you can still learn and develop these skills by watching free tutorial videos on YouTube. So this means that you can make money from freelance websites as others are doing. There are so many people making money from freelance websites. So if you don't have the skills, do not panic, because you can easily learn these skills on the internet, because these digital skills are very easy to learn. There are a lot of freelance websites that you can sign up with or register with today and earn thousands of dollars just from the comfort of your home. These freelance websites are filled with freelance jobs that you can apply for and get paid in dollars every day. So hurry up now and take this opportunity and register with these freelance websites. Go over to those freelance websites right now and start applying for those jobs. Examples of those freelance websites that you can sign up with today are: 1. Upwork.com. I repeat, Upwork.com. 2. Freelancer.com. I repeat, Freelancer.com. Number 3 website, peopleperhour.com. I repeat, peopleperhour.com. Number 4, Fiverr.com. So please take note of these websites I just mentioned right now and register with those websites and start earning. Also try to conduct your own research and find out other freelance websites that you can also earn money from. So right now in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you can use to start making money online as a freelancer. But before you continue this video, please make sure that you subscribe and click the bell notification button to this channel so that you can get the latest information on how to make money online quickly. Also remember to ask me any questions that you have on the comment section after watching this video. I promise to answer any questions that you ask of me on the comment section. Also try to watch all the videos that I uploaded on this channel, because I have uploaded several videos on this channel that will help you make money easily online on a daily basis. So make sure that you watch other videos on this channel after watching this one. Okay, so now please follow this step-by-step guide to start making money online as a freelancer immediately. Step 1. Develop and learn the necessary freelance skills that are in high demand. Search for freelance skills that are in high demand on the internet today, then learn and develop those skills. Make sure that you learn and become an expert in any freelance skill that you choose. You can only be successful as a freelancer if you are an expert in your skill or profession. These are examples of freelance skills that you can learn that are in high demand today. Examples are: 1. Computer programming. 2. Web designing. 3. Web development. 4. Graphic designing. 5. Video editing. 6. Copywriting. 7. Digital marketing. These skills that I just mentioned are in high demand, so pick one and learn thoroughly and become an expert in it. You can learn these freelance skills by watching free video tutorials on YouTube. You can also learn these skills by purchasing online courses that teach these skills on e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. Step 2. Buy the necessary equipment that you need for your freelance business. There are certain equipment that you need for your freelance business. Examples of such equipment are laptop, mobile phone, internet connection, and several software programs such as video editing software, computer programming softwares, and app development softwares. So try to conduct your own research and discover the necessary equipment that you need. Step 3. Start searching for jobs. After learning the necessary skills and after buying the necessary equipment that you need for your freelance career, you now need to start searching for jobs aggressively. The best places to get jobs are on freelance websites such as upwork.com, freelancer.com, people per hour, and fiverr.com. I mentioned these websites earlier. So these are the websites that you can easily get freelance jobs that pays you thousands of dollars. There are several jobs that are listed on these freelance websites. So hurry up now and sign up with these freelance websites and start applying for those jobs listed on those freelance websites. Another way to get freelance jobs is to contact companies and businesses around your city that you live in and offer them your freelance services. So look around your city and find out those companies that might need your freelance services. Step 4. Create a personal website for your freelance business. You need to create a personal website for your freelance business after creating your website. So go and create a website for your freelance business and list the services and the prices on your website. So create and design your website properly so that you can list the services, the freelance services that you provide on your website. Don't forget to provide your contact details so that your clients can reach you easily on your website. So create a good website for your freelance business. Step 5. Promote your freelance business on social media. Make sure that you promote your freelance business on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Make sure that you pay for social media advertisements to promote your freelance business effectively. Use search engine optimization strategy to boost the visibility of your freelance website. Use email marketing strategies to promote your freelance business. Make sure that you are very active and consistent on social media every day. Step 6. Provide excellent freelance services to your clients. Make sure that you provide the best quality freelance services for your clients. This will help you retain and get more clients and customers for your business. Providing low quality freelance services to your clients will make you lose your clients and customers. Providing poor quality freelance services will be very detrimental to your freelance business and career. This might destroy your freelance career if you provide poor quality freelance services. Step 7. Expand your freelance business. Once your freelance business is booming and bringing in huge profits, you need to hire more employees to boost productivity. Also, once your freelance business is progressing, you need to purchase high quality equipment for your business. This is because you need to provide high quality services to your clients. So try to purchase better quality equipment for your freelance business so that you can provide good quality services to your clients. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest information on how to make money easily online. This is because I'm going to be releasing more videos on this channel every day to help you make easy money on the internet. Make sure that you ask me any questions that you have on the comment section. Ask me any question on the comment section, because I'm going to answer every question that is asked of me on the comment section. Also, remember to like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online. So please share this video immediately so that your friends and families can learn how to make money online. Help us make our videos go viral, because we want to change people's life by helping them make money online every day. So please share this video to as many people as possible so that many people can learn how to make money online easily. Also, remember to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn and discover different strategies that you can use to make money online, because it is just very easy right now to make money online or to make money on the internet. So try to watch other videos on this channel so that you can easily make money online every month. Thank you for your time. Goodbye. See you next time.